Hey guys, well, if you recall my last video, Dave from My Own Devices bought the kit version of this amp, and he wasn't really up for the task of building it, so he sent it to me, and here it is. I've built it for him, and it's looking and sounding just great. Now, I shot lots and lots of footage of me building the amp, and I'm definitely going to share with you a video showing the build from beginning to end. However, that's going to have to wait for about a month or so, because during testing the amp, I accidentally blew this really nice tung-sol rectifier tube. And frankly, when Dave finds out, he's going to be really pissed. So I think it's for the best that I get out of Dodge. It really is going to be for my own safety. And what better and safer place to go than to where these new tung-sol tubes are made? Yeah, that's right. I'm going to Russia. And that'll give Dave a chance to cool down and me a chance to scour the land right from the actual birthplace of tung-sol tubes to find a brand new 5AR4 rectifier tube for him. So Dave, listen, by the time you see this video, you'll have received the amp that I shipped back to you, and you'll know all about the rectifier tube that I ruined. But I'm going to be in Russia, so do not try to hunt me down. It's a big country. And when I return, I promise I'll have a brand new tung-sol rectifier tube for you to enjoy your new amp with. Now, some of you may think this whole thing is a guise, and I'm really not going to Russia, but I assure you that I really am. Now, am I really going back to get Dave a new tube? Let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon. Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi, or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.